is the simple, perfect accompaniment to any major dish, especially if it's a roast: gravy. And I've tried many different methods, but this one is the one I always come back to. So today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple gravy using drippings from any roast that you make. To make a basic gravy, you're going to need the drippings from a roast, if you have them available, approximately 2 cups of stock, and the stock should match whatever kind of roast it is, so beef stock or chicken stock, and if it's pork, I usually tend to use my vegetable stock. A 1/4 cup of flour and about a 1/4 cup of butter. And really, this is so simple. What you're going to do is, once you've removed your roast from your roasting pan, you're going to leave those drippings in there, and we're going to heat them up till they're nice and hot. And you know it's nice and warm when that bottom is sizzling rather nicely. And then we're going to add in our butter. And just get that melting. And when it's nice and warm, we're going to add in our flour and stir that really well. What it's going to do is it's going to absorb all of our juices there. You want to fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so that flour taste is gone. And once it's done, we're going to start adding in water, just a little at a time, stirring vigorously. And what you want to do is, every time in between when you're adding water, you'll notice that it starts getting slightly thick, and that's when you want to add in more water. You don't want to add it all at once. And really, it's as simple as that. Now you're going to put that into a gravy boat and serve. And really, it's as simple as that. Obviously, it's just amazing to pour onto anything, but I want to give this one a taste. Nice and thick, and a really nice, dark, rich color to it. Oh, that's going to be perfect on my Yorkshires with my roast tomorrow. If you tried this recipe, I'd love to hear from you how it turned out in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember too that you can follow me on all of my social media, and those links are below in the comments section. If you would like to see some of my other side dish recipes, you can check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.